How to use oranges as a spider repellent. Spiders are an essential part of an ecosystem, as they help to control the insect population. Because spiders are important, those who have arachnophobia, are trying to ward off venomous spiders or are trying to prevent the formation of webs should avoid killing spiders and instead try to find non-lethal ways to repel them. Many spiders have an adversity to citrus scents, so utilizing orange peels is a safe way to keep spiders at bay. Things you will need: orange peel, knife, strainer, witch hazel, spray bottle, pestle. Remove the peel from one or more oranges. Cut the peel into approximately 1/4-inch chunks. Pour boiling water over half the chunks and leave them to soak overnight. Use a cup of water per orange peel. Strain the chunks and add a 1/4 cup of witch hazel per orange peel to the citrus water. Witch hazel is a natural astringent. Add the solution to a spray bottle and use it as a personal spray on spider repellent. Smash the remaining chunks slightly with a pestle to release the citrus scent. Sprinkle those chunks on top of soil, on cabinet floors and in any other areas where spiders enter or are frequently seen.